What am I gonna do this morning?
Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Welcome to the AP 2020 Outdoors Outdoor Shooting Range. Yes sirree, this is my private shooting range. You can't get any more remote than this. I don't think there's any humans for several miles.
Check my zero at 25 yards.
What do you think so far?
Shoots nice. I like the way it sounds.
Think we'll get a suppressor later on?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and check your zero. Put it on safe. All right, so where are you aiming?
Right here.
So should we lower the elevation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's lower it. Hang on.
Well, let's see what this does in full auto.
You out?
Yep.
So what's the safety feature on there?
Safety feature is non-fire, semi, and full auto.
And then when you're out of BBs in the magazine, what does it do?
It just stops firing.
That's a safety mechanism, isn't it?
Yep. So the magazines we're using is the G&G standard G2 metal magazine, 30 round. And the BBs we're using are EMG 25 gram BBs. So to load the magazine, what you do is you get your speed loader and you open it up and you fill it with BBs. Take your magazine and you put the nozzle down in there and you press it down, fill it, and it fills the magazine. Alright, we're testing the full auto on the green targets.
Higher. What do you think?
Shoots good.
How do you like that sound?
Sounds a lot more sturdy than my last AEG.
Don't let the old man have some fun now. Nice. Hey folks. Nice. Too much fun.
Round two.
Nice job. So overall, what's your impressions?
Pretty good gun for the price, runs amazing stock. A lot better than the last AEGs I've had.
Any mod you have to do, or you don't think?
I might put a Warfet on it sometime, new hopping and buck-ups, hop-up system and bucking. But other than that, it's a great gun. I'd rate it a 8 out of 10. Now stay tuned, we'll be doing some high-speed slow motion.
This is the Evike.com EMG Seekins Precision License PTW SBR SP223 Advanced Airsoft M4 AEG rifle with G2 gearbox. Black 7-inch M-LOK Go Airsoft package. Features: CNC machine aluminum alloy, Seekins precision license, SBR 8 M-LOK handguard, SP223 upper receiver, and SP223 lower receiver, Seekins precision selector, magazine release, and bolt catch. G&G front and rear adjustable flip-up sights included. Stamped Seekins precision trademarks. Full-length top rail provides vast amounts of real estate to mount optics and other accessories. Ambidextrous Seekins precision selector switch, ambidextrous sling plate, ambidextrous charging handle, and ergonomic motor grip. Metal version 2 gearbox with 8mm bearings and a bearing spring guide. G&G's inline wired G2 burst control MOSFET and electronic micro switch trigger contacts made up to a 25,000 RPM motor. Adjustable PDW style stock. The Evike Go Airsoft Starter Package has been carefully curated to include the base essentials needed to get your AEG up and running for your first airsoft game. Everything chosen for this package consists of highly recommended add-ons from both experienced players and technicians alike. Great for first-time players or for anyone looking for a backup set of accessories. The wait was worth it. The Seekins Precision SP223, featuring a custom-tuned G&G G2 gearbox, raises the bar on out-of-the-box performance in every possible way. The months of fine-tuning by master technicians nets the rifle a snappy trigger response like nothing before it. The cyclic rate, on par with some of the finest custom-tuned rifles. The accuracy, a testament to the precision title this rifle carries. And the pursuit of performance, benefiting to the prestige of a Seekins product. The G2 gearbox boasts ultra-smooth 8mm bearings, full steel teeth piston, double O-ring aluminum nozzle, and cylinder head.
This is Jacob with AP 2020 Outdoors, and remember to support that Second Amendment right, and make sure to check out the Evike links in the video description.